And welcome to the Smash News Network Least Busted Name of News. Please support the channel via the links below the video. We need your assistance to keep these videos free and publicly visible. This meteorology segment starts out with surface winds of the eastern world. I would note some odd ridges around here. You can see areas where there's high winds and then suddenly no winds. That is an anomalous feature south of the western Aleutians. That's kind of strange. I'll just leave it there. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. And you can see there is some jet stream influence there. The jet stream making a sudden bend toward Alaska as it does this little divergence in the North Pacific. Highly concentrated jet stream over the area of Japan and so forth. Let's rotate the planet. Here are the jet streams of the western world, and look at the chaos in the North Atlantic continuing here. Jet streams are all over the place. Doubled up over the U.S. A convergence happening here around Newfoundland. A convergence right here. Anyway, those are the jets. Here are the surface winds of the west. You can see multiple low pressure systems here. 3 low pressures right here in the North Atlantic. We'll probably have people claiming that it's Moloch's fault. Sorry about that. It's not a 666, it's 3 low pressure systems in the North Atlantic. You can see the counterclockwise rotation there associated with Northern Hemisphere low pressure systems. And welcome to the final day of autumn here in the Northern Hemisphere. It's almost wintertime. We're barely a day away from the solstice, and we'll be streaming live at the moment of the solstice. Make sure you join us for that. We'll be on Twitch and on YouTube. Next year, 72, this is actually a 5-day forecast. This is a 126-hour forecast, and we may be seeing a white Christmas on the way here in Pennsylvania. So we're located in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Lots of snow continuing to fall here in the northwestern portion of the country. And the Gfs Forecast actually showing a couple inches of snow here on Christmas itself. We'll get to it. Again, that's a Gfs Forecast for the next approximately 5 days. Showing precipitation and pressure. Next, your new snow forecast. So this is the Gfs forecast for new snow, and you can see expecting a few inches for most of Pennsylvania here by Christmas. So expecting a white Christmas for most of Pennsylvania here, according to the Gfs forecast. The European forecast does not agree. That's the 126-hour Gfs snow depth change. Positive snow depth change forecast. Massive snows continued to be forecasted there for the northwestern portion of the country. Washington, Idaho, Montana, Oregon, and eastern California. That's like 4 or 5 feet of snow there forecasted. So looking at the European forecast, this is snow depth. We're just going to advance this into Saturday, December 25th, aka Christmas. And you can see the massive difference there in the forecast. Not expecting inches of snow on the European forecast. Keep in mind a 5-day forecast is a little too far out anyway. We just figured we'd show it because we know many of our viewers will be interested to know whether or not we're expecting to see a white Christmas. So here is the weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, just click your county. Nevada seeing flood watches, it looks like, for a large portion of the northwestern part of the state there. Again, if your county's lit up, just go to weather.gov, click your county, and find out what the warning is. Here is your NASA GOES lightning mapper. It looks like no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org to show you the teeth of the storms. A little bit of activity happening there in the Gulf of Mexico, it looks like. There you can see some fresh lightning strikes coming in while we stream the video. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. It's such a great live streaming platform that we use it on the regs. Thanks for leaving a comment, Tinman1057. And good morning to you as well. Let's get back to the video. The live stream looks like it's just fine. Again, twitch.tv/smAsho. Check out the mobile app. It'll alert you when we go live. It's just a great live streaming platform. We're also on BitChute. If you're only viewing the videos on BitChute, please go check out the YouTube channel, as you're missing 90% of the content. We rarely put up our daily space weather videos. There's a solar flare and all kinds of stuff happening at the moment. Thanks to our YouTube viewers. Please press the share button. Tell your friends and foes about us, since the algorithms don't seem to be doing it. Press like, press subscribe, become a member of the Smash team, as we're paid just this side of nothing to put the monetized content on YouTube. So become a member of the Smash team, because we've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior, where we're doing all kinds of forecasting that nobody else gets to see. So while we'll be putting up free posts through the year 2021, many of the posts will go back to paid subscribers only. Also, if you're searching for a bike, hit me up at curated.com/experts/dan.nigro, and I'll help you shop. I'll tell you what kind of bike to put in your prepping supplies, if you're not yet aware. Not just expensive bikes either, folks. We sell the entire range. Bikes, gear, if you want to upgrade, I'll be your cycling expert. So hit us up there if you like, if you're in the market for any bikes or associated gear. Next, we're looking at the water vapor here over the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, the water vapor map over the Pacific Ocean. Earth's largest heat sink. Did you know it takes thousands of years for the oceans to heat up and cool down? Let's continue on. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map, where we implore you to Mansa, make America not suck again, so the rest of the world follows and realizes that COVIDiocy needs to be cured. Anyway, there's the lower 48 Doppler radar. That's radar.weather.gov, by the way, if you're wondering. Here is the shortwave radiation map. Look at all the low clouds over the eastern seaboard. A significant low cloud bank there. And here's the water vapor map. You can see a bunch of moisture coming out of the Gulf here, making its way into the Gulf states. Let's do a recap. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar. Here's the cloud layer, showing clouds and fog at nighttime. And there's the water vapor. Hopefully that clarifies things. In any case, thanks for tuning in to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off.